Good morning, it's laundry day. So this is how easy it is to use our laundry products. These are my washer whiffs. Luna, smells amazing. And so I have a large load, so I just take a scoop, put it in the drum, and then I take my laundry liquid, and both of these can last about 50 medium loads. Laundry liquid, this is a new bottle. 2 pumps for a small load, 3 pumps for a medium load, and 4 pumps for a large load. So I gotta get, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That easy. Then it's set. And throw your clothes in. And then here's the dryer discs. Those go in the dryer. So when my clothes go in the dryer, it adds that extra layer of fragrance. Happy Monday, y'all.